Brittany Renner getting into it at Rolling Loud.
What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to a different perspective. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy. So you saw the clip of Brittany and this guy, this fan, going at it, and then she throws the water at him, and then he throws water back at her. But let's have the necessary conversation, because people are thinking that this whole incident was wrong, but on behalf of the staff involved and Brittany Renner. So let's check this out.
Renner getting into it at Rolling Loud.
Look at that. Look at the clip on this. Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? These two girls right here behind security also threw stuff at this man. Now, who attacked who first? Brittany, right? You saw that, right? Brittany threw the water in this man's face first, and he snatched that same bottle of water out of his hand and threw it back at her. An eye for an eye, water for water, right? Well, why is this the treatment that this man is receiving? Watch. They got a bag over his head, dragging him out of there as if he did something wrong.
Top Brittany.
Let's look at another angle. You hear him saying, "Pour it on me, pour it on me." She's climbing up over the railing. Somebody's trying to pull her away. They know that she's gonna be the one in the wrong for doing what it is that she's about to do. You see how that person tried to remove the water bottle from her hand? They know Brittany is about to be wrong for this. Nah. Look, right there in this moment, when she poured that water, he snatched it and just threw it bloop, right back at her. Didn't get her nearly as wet as she got him. Now look at this, posted by the Shade Room. Additional footage has surfaced of how the security at Rolling Loud handled the man who threw water on Brittany Renner after she drenched him first, right? Through another angle shows more of the interaction. We spoke to the man in the video, and he claimed that he was rooting Brittany Renner on while she was on stage twerking, and he yelled, "I love PJ," as she was walking away. This enraged Brittany, and she confronted him. It sounds to me that this man was being nothing but positive towards Brittany Renner, cheering her on as she was twerking on stage. And if he's also a fan of PJ Washington, then that's just what it was. But instead, she got upset by some words that a fan said and decided that she wanted to step to him and get in his face. That's wrong. It's not okay to do that. What this showed was this individual was not healed from this relationship. What this showed was a lack of maturity when it comes to how a fan or anyone responds to anything that you do. She could have simply just kept walking, and this whole entire incident wouldn't have occurred. That man did not deserve to have no bag be put over his head, roughed up by security, and being kicked out of this event that he paid money to attend. If the statement that came from this man is true, then he did no wrong. So often they say that men need to protect women or do a better job of protecting women, but who protects men from women? Where you see situations like this where when the retaliation is the same, the man is in the wrong. when the woman is the one that initiated or did it first. Heck, there was another clip that I wanted to show you guys, but I don't know what the heck happened to it. I lost it. It was an incident where a guy was sitting outside of a car, standing outside of a car with a female, I guess a woman that he was dealing with, and her female friend was recording, and the woman was just pounding this man in the face. Boom, boom, boom. Just kept hitting him over and over and over again. And he was taking it until he couldn't take it anymore. And he laid one blow on her and it knocked her out. And her friend who was recording was upset at him. She was like, "Really, John? Really? You just gonna hit her?" And he's like, "What? Are you kidding me? She hit me first. You saw her. She was attacking me. She was punching me over and over and over. I hit her one time to protect myself, to get her to stop hitting me. And I'm the one looked at as the bad person here." And the title of that video is, "Ladies, be careful. Men are hitting back. You can't just sit here and think that you can get away with this violent physical act and not have the same thing done upon you." Now, I'm not saying that I necessarily agree with it. I told you guys my stance on this many a times before. I'm not someone who would lay my hands on a woman to hurt her. If anything, I will restrain her and prevent her from hitting me. You know, even though my mother taught me, if someone is big enough to hit you, I don't care if it is a female, and they best to be big enough to get hit back. But leave your thoughts and opinions on it, because maybe I'm wrong. But anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next one. See you.